Now back to your Get Ready weather. Again, Robert Suhr joining us tonight. Word today is enjoy it while it lasts. Big changes on the way.
Yeah, we are tracking our own winter storm. Now, it won't be as bad as what we just saw there, but we could definitely see some wintry precipitation in here by the middle part of next week. So we have had some, changes happen in the last 24 hours. So here's the latest with pretty much what we know with this upcoming storm. We know for pretty good certainty that it is going to be a high impact system that will be here by the middle of the week. We're talking the Wednesday, Thursday time frame. Ice and snow accumulations appear likely somewhere in the area. And that's the biggest question mark, is exactly who sees the ice, who sees the snow, who sees how much of each, and how much does it pile up or not pile up. It's also looking a little bit better that the potential for the best snow looks right now to be north of Highway 412. That could change, but that's what we're thinking at this moment in time. Nothing like that right now. It's absolutely gorgeous outside in Rogers as the sun continues to set. We're at 53 degrees, dew point very dry, 19 degrees. Temperatures across northwest Arkansas absolutely wonderful. Upper 50s, lower 60s across the area. Look at that sunset high atop our tower in Fort Smith, where in Fort Smith right now you're at 63 degrees, light winds out of the west at 7 miles an hour. And in the River Valley, still mid-60s out there, a very nice Sunday evening overall. Now, we talked about this yesterday, where we're at in the forecasting of this storm. We're now in the 3 to 5 day out time range. So we're trying to figure out the precipitation type, the timing of that precip, and exactly where that particular precip will fall. That's what we're trying to work out here over the next couple of days. And as we go through one of our models here, Tuesday, not a big deal. Impact day, scattered showers out there. But as we go through Wednesday and colder air starts to bleed into the area, those rain showers will transition over to a mix of freezing rain and sleet potentially. And it could come down heavily at times. By Thursday morning, it may have changed over to snow in northwest Arkansas. Again, north of Highway 412, where everyone else is still seeing the wintry mix and the icing conditions. Then everybody changes over to snow eventually. We could be left over with some leftover flurries on Friday, but very, very cold potentially on Friday as well. Now, pretty strong confidence in some accumulating snow in the area, and definitely travel impacts, whether it's on the ground or in the air, and also moderate confidence in that freezing rain and sleet. Just don't know exactly where it's going to be yet, but we're working on that. Lows tonight, very mild. We're mostly in the 30s, and then back up into the 60s and getting close to 70 in some locations of the River Valley tomorrow. That's going to be the best day of the week. After Monday, things start to go downhill out there, and you can see severe days both Wednesday and Thursday. We did get some new model data in right before the start of the show, and it did change a little bit of that heavier snow, pushing it a little bit further north. That's just one run of one model. Models are going to go back and forth over the next couple of days, but we'll definitely probably see winter weather watches and advisories issued here in the next 24 to 36 hours. You're going to want to check back with us for the latest. And you're going to want to check back with us after the break, because Paul's going to check the world of sports coming up.